Hey guys, Shane, TM Autosports, Bemidji, Minnesota location. 750 Paul Bunyan Drive Northwest. Going to take you through a little walkthrough of our storefront today. Inside our store here, you're going to see things like car and truck accessories, off-road, performance, recovery, overlanding accessories, wheels and tires, car audio and video, and don't forget, we are Bemidji's exclusive Traxxas RC vehicle dealer, full service, repair, parts, and machines here in Bemidji, Minnesota. So let's go inside and check it out. We do these videos for the people that maybe have never been in our store, had no idea what to expect, or the people who've been in here 100 times but maybe didn't notice something. Maybe they didn't walk all the way around the store. So let's check it out. Also, the area's dealer for Boss snow plows, service and installation. We service and sell mat tracks, vehicle accessory track systems, anything from ATV to full-size vehicle tracks like you see here.